Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Amanda, and today's video is going to be a highly requested video about how to achieve this bun. And she wants to be in the video too, no kisses. So basically for this video, all you need is a hair tie of any sort. Doesn't really matter which. I normally use like a black hair elastic, and then you need a clear rubber band and a bobby pin if you have troubles with any hairs that stick out. Normally I do, but this time I actually didn't really need the bobby pin, but I just showed you where I would place it if it were to be used. Basically just to hold any hairs that are sticking out down. If knowing how to achieve this bun is something that you've been dying to know, keep watching. Guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have yet to. I do videos weekly, sometimes twice a week, depending on how good the week is. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next week. Bye.